Have you ever wondered why some people achieve their goals while others don't? It's a question that has puzzled many of us at one point or another. We often attribute success to factors such as luck, talent, or even the right connections. But what if I told you that the deciding factor lies within us? Yes, it's all about our mindset. Today, we delve into the world of Dweck, a renowned psychologist and author of the groundbreaking book, Mindset. Dweck's research over the years has led her to a simple yet profound conclusion. It's not just our abilities and talent that bring us success, but whether we approach our goals with a fixed or growth mindset. In her book, Dweck introduces us to these two mindsets. The fixed mindset assumes that our character, intelligence, and creative ability are static. We can't change in any meaningful way, and success is the affirmation of that inherent intelligence. It's about proving ourselves over and over again. On the flip side, we have the growth mindset. This mindset thrives on challenge and sees failure not as evidence of unintelligence, but as a springboard for growth and stretching our existing abilities. With a growth mindset, we understand that we can develop our abilities and intelligence through hard work, strategies, and help from others. Dweck's book is a revelation that transforms our understanding of learning and success. It helps us realize that we are not just products of our talents or circumstances. Instead, we are products of our mindsets. Dweck's book is not just a theoretical exploration. It is a practical guide that can help us change our mindsets and, in turn, change our lives. It opens up a new pathway to becoming the best versions of ourselves and achieving our most ambitious goals. The answer lies in our mindset, as Dweck explains in her groundbreaking book, Mindset. In her book, Dweck introduces two types of mindsets, fixed and growth. These two mindsets are the building blocks upon which we construct our understanding of ourselves, our abilities, and our potential. The differences between these mindsets can shape our lives in profound ways. Imagine a fixed mindset as a rigid, unchanging perspective. Those with a fixed mindset believe that their intelligence and abilities are set in stone, immutable. They perceive their talent as a finite resource, something that's been handed to them at birth and can't be altered. Success to them is the affirmation of their inherent intelligence. They avoid challenges, fearing that failure might expose their limitations. They view effort as fruitless and criticism as a personal attack. This mindset can be limiting, creating a fear of risk and a reluctance to embrace change or challenge. It can lead to a life lived within a comfort zone, devoid of growth and exploration. It fosters a belief that talent alone, without hard work, leads to success. On the other hand, a growth mindset presents a dynamic, evolving perspective. Those with a growth mindset view intelligence and abilities as malleable, something that can be developed and improved over time. They see their talent as a starting point, a foundation upon which they can build. Success, to them, is the product of learning, persistence, and resilience. They embrace challenges, seeing them as opportunities to learn and grow. They view effort as a necessary path to mastery and criticism as valuable feedback. This mindset encourages a love of learning and a resilience that is essential for great accomplishment. It leads to a life of constant growth, of pushing boundaries, of embracing change and challenge. It fosters a belief that hard work and effort, in combination with talent, lead to success. The implications of these mindsets are profound. With a fixed mindset, the fear of failure and the avoidance of challenges can lead to stagnation. On the contrary, a growth mindset encourages a journey of continuous learning and improvement, fostering resilience in the face of adversity. Understanding these mindsets and their implications is crucial. It's not about labeling oneself or others as having a fixed or growth mindset. Rather, it's about recognizing when we might be falling into a fixed mindset trap and understanding how to cultivate a growth mindset instead. Your success, Dweck argues, depends on whether you have a fixed or growth mindset. But remember, mindsets are not fixed in themselves. They can be changed, cultivated, and nurtured. And that change begins with awareness. Recognizing our mindset is the first step towards shifting it towards growth, opening up a world of possibilities for learning, growth, and success. The key to personal growth is believing that you can improve. This isn't just a motivational statement. It's a fundamental truth backed by psychologist Carol Dweck's extensive research on mindsets. In her groundbreaking book, Mindset, Dweck introduces a simple yet transformative idea: the power of yet. You might not be where you want to be today, but that doesn't mean you can't get there. You just haven't gotten there yet. The power of yet is an invitation to see potential where others see failure. It's the belief that with effort and perseverance, improvement is not just possible, it's inevitable. Let's take a closer look at this concept. Imagine two individuals. One person believes they're not good at math. They've always struggled with numbers, and they've convinced themselves they're just not a math person. This is what Dweck calls a fixed mindset. Now consider another individual. They also struggle with math, but instead of accepting this as a permanent state, they tell themselves, "I'm not good at math yet." This simple shift in perspective embodies a growth mindset. Why is this important? It's because a growth mindset doesn't just accept the status quo. It challenges it. It doesn't see abilities as fixed and unchangeable. Instead, it views them as skills that can be honed and improved with time and effort. It's the belief that you are a work in progress, and every challenge you face is an opportunity to learn and grow. Embracing a growth mindset is like embarking on a journey of self-improvement. It's about recognizing that you're not defined by your current capabilities, but by your potential to improve. It doesn't deny the existence of obstacles, but it reframes them as stepping stones to success. So, whether you're trying to master a new skill, overcome a personal challenge, or achieve a long-held dream, remember the power of yet. It's not about where you are now, but where you can be. With a growth mindset, you view challenges as opportunities for learning, not as obstacles. How does mindset impact your success? This is a question that underpins much of Carol Dweck's work, the author of the acclaimed book, Mindset. Today we delve deep into this question and explore how your mindset can indeed influence your path to success. In her groundbreaking research, Dweck identifies two types of mindsets: fixed and growth. A fixed mindset assumes that our character, intelligence, and creative abilities are static givens that we can't change in any meaningful way. On the other hand, a growth mindset thrives on challenges and sees failure not as evidence of unintelligence, but as a springboard for growth and stretching our existing abilities. Now imagine the possibilities that a growth mindset can unlock. Let's take a look at three key areas of life: education, relationships, and career. In the realm of education, a growth mindset can be a game changer. It empowers students to embrace learning rather than fearing it. When faced with a challenging concept, instead of saying, "I can't understand this," they say, "I can't understand this yet." This simple shift in thinking can fuel a relentless pursuit of knowledge, leading to academic achievement and lifelong learning. Now, let's consider relationships. A growth mindset can foster healthier and more fulfilling relationships. It encourages us to view conflicts as opportunities for growth rather than threats. It allows us to see our partner's flaws not as unchangeable traits, but as aspects that can evolve over time. This mindset cultivates understanding, compassion, and resilience in relationships, thus paving the way for more profound connections. Finally, in the context of our careers, a growth mindset can propel us to new heights. It enables us to view challenges as opportunities for learning and development, rather than obstacles. It encourages us to continually improve our skills and strive for excellence. When we stumble or face setbacks, a growth mindset prompts us to pick ourselves up, learn from our mistakes, and keep moving forward. This mindset can lead to higher job satisfaction, career advancement, and overall success. In all these areas, a growth mindset creates a love for learning and a resilience that is essential for great accomplishment. It's not about ignoring our shortcomings or pretending they don't exist. Instead, it's about recognizing them, addressing them head-on, and understanding that we can improve. It's about believing in the power of yet, the idea that we may not be there yet, but with effort and perseverance we can get there. So how does mindset impact your success? The answer is clear. A growth mindset, as Dweck suggests, can be a powerful tool in achieving success. It's not just about being smart, talented, or lucky. It's about understanding that we are capable of learning, growing, and improving. We are not static beings, but dynamic ones, always evolving, always changing. A growth mindset, Dweck suggests, is a key factor in achieving success. So, let's embrace this mindset, nurture it, and watch as it transforms our lives, leading us on a journey of continuous growth and success. Can you change your mindset? This question is perhaps the most important one to ask when considering Carol Dweck's work. It's not just about understanding the difference between a fixed mindset and a growth mindset, but also about taking actionable steps to cultivate the latter. Dweck's research points to the fact that our mindset is not set in stone. We have the ability to shift our thinking patterns and adopt a growth mindset, which is the key to unlocking our full potential. But how do we go about this transformation? Dweck offers a number of practical tips and strategies to help us on this journey. Firstly, she emphasizes the importance of embracing challenges. While a fixed mindset may lead us to avoid difficulties for fear of failure, a growth mindset encourages us to see these challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," we should say, "I can't do this yet." Secondly, Dweck suggests that we need to understand the role of effort in achieving success. A growth mindset recognizes that effort is not just a means to an end, but a fundamental part of the process of growth. It's not about getting things right the first time, but about putting in the work and learning from our mistakes. Thirdly, Dweck recommends developing a passion for learning. A fixed mindset might lead us to seek validation through approval, but a growth mindset helps us realize that the true reward lies in the journey of learning itself. This shift in focus from performance to learning can be a game changer in how we approach our goals. Lastly, Dweck advises us to be open to feedback and to use it as a tool for improvement. While a fixed mindset might view criticism as a personal attack, a growth mindset sees it as valuable information that can guide our growth and development. These strategies, while simple, require conscious effort and consistency. It's important to remember that changing our mindset is not an overnight process. It's a journey that involves self-reflection, patience, and perseverance. But the rewards of this transformation are immense. A growth mindset not only opens up new possibilities for personal and professional development, but it also fosters resilience, creativity, and a lifelong passion for learning. So, can you change your mindset? The answer is a resounding yes. It's a decision that starts with you. It's about choosing to view challenges as opportunities, effort as a path to mastery, criticism as a tool for growth, and learning as an end in itself. Change is possible, and with the right mindset, you can achieve your goals. So, what's the takeaway from Dweck's mindset? Well, the journey through this enlightening book has led us to an understanding of the two primary mindsets that shape our lives: the fixed mindset and the growth mindset. We've discovered that it's not just our skills, talents, or intelligence that propel us towards success. Instead, it's our underlying beliefs about ourselves that play a pivotal role in our personal growth and achievement. The fixed mindset, as we've learned, is constricting. It's the belief that our qualities are set in stone, that we're born with a certain amount of intelligence and talent, and that's all we have. It's the mindset that avoids challenges, gives up easily, sees effort as fruitless, ignores useful criticism, and feels threatened by the success of others. On the other hand, the growth mindset is liberating. It's the belief that we can always develop our abilities through dedication and hard work. It's the mindset that embraces challenges, persists in the face of setbacks, sees effort as a path to mastery, learns from criticism, and finds lessons and inspiration in the success of others. Remember, Dweck's research-backed insights don't just apply to our individual lives. They're equally relevant to our relationships, our parenting, our education, and our workplaces. So, how can we cultivate a growth mindset? It starts with understanding that our abilities and intelligence can be developed. It requires us to embrace challenges, persist in the face of setbacks, see effort as a path to mastery, learn from criticism, and find lessons and inspiration in the success of others. And most importantly, it involves changing our perspective on failure. Instead of seeing it as a dead end, we need to view it as a stepping stone to growth and learning. In the words of Carol Dweck, in a growth mindset, challenges are exciting rather than threatening. So rather than thinking, oh, I'm going to reveal my weaknesses, you say, wow, here's a chance to grow. Let's all take this chance to grow. So, are you ready to cultivate a growth mindset? Now that you've delved into the world of mindset by Carol Dweck, you have the tools at your disposal to change your life. By adopting a growth mindset, you're not just changing how you think, you're changing how you live. But remember, understanding is only the first step. To truly benefit from these insights, you need to apply them. Try to catch yourself when you're stuck in a fixed mindset and make a conscious effort to shift towards growth. We're all on this journey together, and we'd love to hear about your experiences with this transformative mindset. Have you noticed a change in your life since you started applying these principles? What challenges have you faced? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.